Hi everyone, and welcome back to your Phonics for Adults. This is Level 5, Lesson 6. Today we will learn 3 new letter pairs that have the same sound. Yes, the only difference is the spelling in the word. So let's learn IR, ER, and UR. Now, you will see a pattern with these words, so let's get started with this, okay? Now first, IR, ER, UR sound like IR, IR. IR, ER, and UR, all of them sound like IR. See my tongue? Watch. We'll get close. Okay? ER sounds like Okay. Now I'm back over here. The first one we will learn is IR. Now, this is a bird. This is a bird. A bird. Bird. A bird. It's cute. It's pretty. I like birds. They're nice. Number 2. She. She is a gur. There's that L. So what does that L sound like? Ul. Okay? Still same sound as before. Ul. So she is a girl. The tongue. Girl. She is a girl. Yeah, a girl. Cool. Number 3. See, you're seeing that pattern, right? It's the same sound. Good. 3. This is a pretty shirt. This is a pretty shirt. I have a shirt. It's a t-shirt or a polo shirt. A shirt. She has a pretty shirt. He has a cool shirt. Great. Number 4. This is a skirt. A skirt. Fast. Skirt. See? Slow. Skirt. It's kind of a sound. Skirt. Fast. Skirt. A skirt. Yeah, a skirt. Cool. Now, let's try ER. Now, watch where the ER is. You'll see. Ooh, he is a singer. A singer. A singer. He is a singer. See the ER? Remember, singer. Number 2. Writing a letter. This is a letter. A letter. This is a letter. Do you see it? Yes, you do. Number 3. Ooh, They are playing short O sound. Soccer. In England, it's called football, but here, soccer. Do you see the ER? Yeah, that's right. Soccer. Good. Number 4. Oh, me. We are a T-E-A. Teacher. I am a teacher. I'm your teacher. Teacher. Do you see the ER? It's at the end of all of the words. There you go. Spelling. If the is on the end of the word, ER. Yeah, usually. Patterns. Usually. So, teacher. Hi. And the third one is you are. Here we go. Number 1. Cool. I like these. This is a Now, T-L-E. See? Tull. Put it together. Turtle. A turtle. Yeah, this is a turtle. A turtle. 2 sounds. Turtle. A turtle. Okay? It's a sea turtle. I like turtles. Number 2. Yeah, the second one. This color is purple. Purple. This color is purple. My shirt is blue. I don't have purple. This is purple. Cool. Now, number 3. She is all 3 of them. They are nurse, one, nurse, but they, nurses, but one, nurse, nurse. Cool. She is a nurse. He is a nurse. They are nurses. Cool. Excuse me. Got excited. The last one. I got excited for the last one. The last one is purr. Like a cat. Purr. Purse. This is a purse. Cool. It's a purse. It's a purse with money. It's a pretty purse. It's a purse. So we have just learned all 3. ER, UR, IR, sound. Let's review all of the words that we learned today. Right here. Bird. Girl. Shirt. Skirt. Singer. Letter. Soccer. And teacher. We have turtle. We have purple. We have nurse and purse. Great job today. I threw that down. Great job today. You are awesome. You are amazing. You are so smart. And I know you will do great on the next lesson when we read a story and some sentences with all of these sounds in it. You're doing great, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.